effective and flexible. Introducing the great value for money Seville electric shower from Triton. The ultimate in versatility, the Seville shower is the ideal solution when replacing an existing shower. The multiple cable and water entry points allow you to make use of your existing wiring and pipework, reducing the time and cost of reinstallation. A choice of 3 adjustable water settings from cold, ideal for rinsing, economy for use in summer, and high for the cold winter months, allowing you to have hot water on demand 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The 5-mode showerhead features 5 spray patterns. It also features an anti-kink hose, an adjustable riser rail, and an adjustable showerhead bracket. Comes complete with Triton's 2-year guarantee. Triton, the heart of every bathroom.